In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn new message alerts pop-up on or off in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Outlook on the web to control those desktop pop-up notifications for new emails. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign into your account so you can access your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, look to the top right corner of the page and select the gear icon to open Settings. This opens a panel where you can fine-tune how Outlook behaves. In that panel, choose General. This section groups common preferences that apply across your Outlook experience. Next, select Notifications. This is where you control whether Outlook can notify you when something new happens, like receiving an email. In the Notifications page, find the Email section. Click the small drop-down arrow to expand the email notification options so you can see everything available. You're looking for the setting labeled Notification Style. This determines how Outlook will show alerts when a new message arrives. Choose Browser as your notification style. Selecting Browser tells Outlook to use your web browser to display pop-up alerts on your desktop. This is the standard way to get quick, on-screen notifications while you're working, even if the Outlook tab isn't front and center. After selecting Browser, make sure to click Save. Saving locks in your choice, so Outlook will actually use the new setting going forward. A couple of quick tips to make this work smoothly. If you don't see pop-ups after enabling Browser, your browser may be blocking notifications. Look for a small notification permission icon near your address bar and allow notifications for the Outlook site. Also, features like Do Not Disturb or Focus Assist on your computer can hide alerts. If you still don't see pop-ups, check those system settings. And if you share a screen at work or just prefer fewer interruptions, you can return to the same notifications page anytime to change the notification style or reduce alerts. That's all there is to it. You opened Outlook on the web, went into Settings, chose General, selected Notifications, expanded the email options, set the notification style to Browser, and saved your changes. Now you can easily turn new message pop-ups on or off whenever you need.